Hi guys, welcome back to day 2 of my sourdough challenge. Let's have a look how the sourdough looks like. I had it standing all the time next to my heater, nice and warm. This is how those bacteria want to have it. And yeah, let's have a look. I'm gonna show you. So, yeah, it starts to smell a little bit sourish. And now we're going to do the same procedure like we did yesterday. I have my 50 grams of rye flour again and some water. I just realized as I was stirring it today, rye flour can really soaks lots of water compared to yeast flour. So I added a little bit of warm water, and today I just preheated the water, and now it's a little bit more like room temperature. So all this nice bacteria which gonna develop, they can grow much better. It's like when you work with yeast, it's the same thing when you use warm milk. Same thing. So now we're just gonna add water again and stir it nicely. Don't want to let this dries out. I'm just gonna see now if the water gonna be enough. If not, it probably add then maybe a little bit more. It's like I said, rye flour soaks quite a lot of water. I'll just come a little bit more water, just some. Just a little bit more, and we can stir it nicely. Yeah, oops. So, don't want to waste any dough, way too malleable. And those doughs are quite sticky, so make sure that you wash everything nicely, otherwise it's gonna like block your sink. So that's it, ladies and gents. Oh, and then we just closing the lid slightly, that again the air can still go outside, and that's it for today. That's it. So as you can see, you technically spend for the first 4 or 5 days not more than 10 minutes to do a sourdough starter. In the morning, just stir nicely until it bubbles, and in the evenings just add this 50 grams of flour and 50 ml of water, more or less, and put it back to the heater. I try to keep my apartment dry where the dough stays. As I said, I don't have a gas heater on where all the moist comes, to prevent it from getting moldy or something like this, because if that happens, you can actually throw the whole thing away. So please, I really hope those won't happen in this 5 days. Otherwise, I'm quite screwed because I'm making videos and everything is in public. So please, guys, I hope it won't happen. So if you control it and just watch your dough a little bit, but it shouldn't. If you keep it like nice and warm, but it has to be like a more or less dry place, that shouldn't happen. So that was from my side for day 2. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a nice evening.